Diwali is next week and we are on day 3 of creating celebrity-inspired looks for Diwali this year. And today's look is one of my favorites, inspired by the stunning SHRADDHA Kapoor. It's going to be a very traditional one, so buckle up and without further delay, let's begin. Today I'm going to be using something that has skincare benefits and is also a primer. This is the Tatti Liquid Silk Canvas. If you're looking for a primer that does it all, then this is it. It blurs imperfections by minimizing pores and fine lines while creating a smooth velvety base for your makeup. The lightweight and breathable formula grips your foundation and other products, making them super long-lasting. It's suitable for all skin types, including skin like mine, which is sensitive, dry skin. This primer is perfect blend of luxury and skincare benefits all packed in one. Today we are looking for a foundation that delivers a natural, radiant glow, and I couldn't think of anything better than Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Medium Coverage Foundation. I didn't want anything heavy or full coverage or something that looks cakey on my skin. And I'm using the shade 8 Neutral. This also has skin-loving ingredients like hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump your skin. So every time you apply this foundation, there's something about it that makes your skin look so beautiful, plump, and healthy. It leaves you with that smooth, healthy complexion. As you can see, that looks radiant and it has a beautiful buildable finish that enhances your natural beauty while blurring imperfections. We can use a little bit more coverage with a concealer, and obviously I'm going to be using my favorite, Milani. This is in the shade 150. I'm just applying it under my eyes, around my mouth where I have the uneven skin tone, and I'm going to let it sit there for a couple minutes till it's dry and tacky. That way I get full coverage when I blend it out. And until it dries, let's add some dimension. I'm going to be using the Face Trace Contour Stick by Westman Atelier and contouring in the usual areas, in the hollows of my cheekbones, in my jawline, to contour my nose as well as the circumference of my face. Everything that I'm applying on my face is going to be very subtle because we want to enhance the natural features, but at the same time, we don't want it to look like too much makeup on the face because her face looks very natural as well. I'm blending out the concealer now that it's a little bit dry, and as you can see, it gives you that beautiful coverage. This concealer has such a unique formula. It's full coverage, but not cakey. It's super long lasting, although it's creamy, and it doesn't settle in the fine lines and crease. For that delicate mauve toned blush, I'm going to be using the Say Liquid Cream Blush. This is in the shade Chili. For this look, we want a blush that gives the skin a natural radiant glow without looking heavy. And I wanted mauve tones because that's what she has. And this is the perfect blush for it. We want to maintain that dewy look. So I'm going to be using just a little bit of the One Size Translucent blurring powder and set in my high points and my T-zone where I usually end up sweating and creasing. The powder will help to absorb all that sweat and oils and keep my makeup intact. And then I'm going to use the same powder puff to blot the rest of my face. That way I still maintain the dewiness, but at the same time, I don't want that excess makeup. For that strong hold setting spray, I'm going to be using the One Size Until Dawn. This is the next best thing you can get to a strong hold hairspray. She was glowing from within, and here's the fabulous trick. Make sure you have your setting spray on before you do this step. Take a little bit of liquid luminizer or highlighter. I'm going to be using Rare Beauty Positive Light Liquid Luminizer. This is in the shade Mesmerize. I'm taking a little bit in the back of my hand and I'm going to be using a silicone sponge. This Makeup Forever sponge has silicone on one side. And the nice thing about that is it's not going to absorb the product. Instead, it'll lay it beautifully onto your skin. And when you lay it down like this, even if you've applied powder, it's not going to look blotchy. We're creating a dark charcoal smoky eye starting with the Rimmel's Candle Eyes gel liner. This is in black. I'm going to tightline and also use it in my lash line. This is the easiest way to create any smoky eye for that matter, not just a dark smoky eye. And then using a flat fluffy brush, I'm going to smudge this out. Then from the Honest Beauty eyeshadow palette, I'm going to pick up this black eyeshadow with a flat fluffy brush. I'm going to apply it all over my lid. later also smoking it out in my lower lash line using a flat shading brush. Black smoky eyes are the ultimate go-to look when you want to add that instant drama and sophistication to any look. There's something about it that screams bold and empowered, and with a beautiful traditional outfit like that, you can transform your entire vibe. And it's super versatile. You can pair it with any outfit. Next, I'm going to dip into this brown eyeshadow and I'm going to soften the black eyeshadow in the edges. Brown eyeshadows are perfect for creating seamless transitions with any makeup looks. Whether it's a cool toned or a warm toned brown, depending on your skin tone, you can use either or. A warm brown like this in the crease acts as a middle ground, making the blending process effortless and very natural looking. Basically, the earthy tones complement a variety of skin tones, making them the go-to choice for flawless transitions. I'm going to use the black eye pencil again to draw out a thin liner just in my top lash line. For brows, I'm just using a Kokie Cosmetics brow pencil and I'm going to very lightly fill in the brows. I'm not giving it much prominence because her brows looked very natural. Using the Flash Highlighter, which is my collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics, I'm going to highlight the inner corner before I curl my lashes and apply a coat of mascara. This is a tubing mascara by Milani. It's the highly rated lash extensions tubing mascara. You can apply it on its own without false lashes, but today I'm going to be using false lashes because she had them on, and the one that I'll be using is TL21 by Tatti Lashes. And that, my friends, was the easiest way to create a black smoky eye. Let's finish up the rest of the face. I'm going to be using the Flash Highlighter again to highlight my brow bones. Onto the lips, again keeping it very subtle. I'm starting with the Laura Mercier lip liner in Rosewood. This is going to help map out the lips and make sure your lipstick doesn't feather out or bleed. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Buxom Full Force lipstick in Supermodel. I did not realize that this shade is completely sold out, so I'm going to link a couple other lipsticks that are very similar to this shade. So make sure to check out all the products in the description box. Her hair was clean, center parted with a bun in the back. I don't like it very tight. It just doesn't look good on me. So I'm going to keep it a little bit loose than what she has. And I'm going to neaten up everything with a hair balm. This is the Angel Stick from MEJ. Such a great product. It helps with all the flyaways and, just keeps your hair looking really neat. This look is incomplete without accessories and jewelry and a beautiful Kanjivaram sari as well as some kachra in the hair. So I got my jhumkas and my choker. I've just combined two chokers to make it like one big choker. The stunning sari is from Diva in Bengaluru. They have some of the most beautiful Kanjivaram as well as handloom Banarasi saris. And of course, it's perfect for this look. This definitely is one of my top favorite looks for Diwali, but I'd love to hear your thoughts and stay tuned for other looks that are coming up. I'll be recreating several celebrity inspired looks for Diwali all week leading up to Diwali. I hope you enjoyed this video. Show me some love, hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, I urge you to do so because you'll be hearing from me with several tips and tricks, and I also start planning to do giveaways on my channel, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.